Hello, guys, and welcome to another live at Voice of Crypto. It is the VIP launch here, and today I'm very excited. Okay, let's have a look on this market. And actually, the buy signal is just in, on my opinion, and I can't wait to share with you. Before we get into any content, I would love to remind I am not a financial advisor, and you should and must do your own market research. With that said, let's have a look on everything that is happening. We are one day away from the Bitcoin halving. It's the most important day in the industry, and I'm very, very happy, looking forward to see what's going to happen tomorrow and the next coming hours. However, I see sort of a buying signal, so I'm personally entering a new long position from now on. Of course, I'm going to have my stop loss, and of course, if we dip again after or before the halving, I'll be just buying more because I love Bitcoin. Okay, so um, let's have a look on why Bitcoin was crashing and is just flashing the buy signal once more. So this is the 4 hourly chart on the BTC price, and I am literally just open. I got a new long position here because I was like, if we hold this level, if we hold support, it's just one more time going to the upside. What is going to happen in the next 24 hours, I don't know. What I can do is I can have my long here from this cycle, and I can just wait to see what is going to happen after the 200 AMA. Okay, so it's likely, like we just did here, every time we go down, we have to retest the 200 AMA. Okay, the market has memory, so it's literally doing the same now. However, if you're not longing, if you couldn't catch these deep, I think you can still long BTC. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, let's move together. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, we literally embrace the 200 AMA already. So it might not be the best entry for you, but just wait for the next dip and let's go together to the upside. Why? Well, we have a couple of reasons why I'm longing, and one of them is the halving. So I don't feel like we are going to drop. We literally just had the Hong Kong ETF thing, and I mentioned yesterday there is something weird. Okay, we had the ETF approving, and why are we dipping? It was a little bit strange. So the best option was to wait, as I mentioned. So I waited to this trade, and now it's time to long once more, on my personal opinion. So 66,273 would be the next level for the Bitcoin price, and all the way up to 68K if we likely just to retest the previous drop. Okay, and pardon, it is an interesting trade. Anyways, Ethereum, I'm also longing on ETH, and it's looking better than BTC actually. Let me show you Ethereum USDT. Ethereum is looking very, very solid compared to the BTC, because we created another sort of a double bottom in here, and on the other side is looking more bullish than Bitcoin right now. So once we have a double bottom, it is upside. So if you haven't entered the trade on Ethereum, this is a nice opportunity and an interesting entry. If we just measure like from here to the 200 AMA, and you can place your stop loss, like I like to keep somewhere around 15 to 20%. So I just give it some room to play out. However, if we go back to 4,000 would be lovely. But even if we don't go, you can still make profit until the 200 AMA. As I mentioned, the market has memory, so it's looking to go here again. So from here, we can just move your stop loss to exit with profit, or we can just wait to see what's going to happen. So in case if we double up, we can just keep moving our stop loss to exit with profit, right? So however, I don't think that we're going to drop anymore, because has been a couple of hours, we are accumulating and going sideways. Double bottom, upside, on my personal opinion. So however, you should definitely do your own market research if you are trading. Moving to CoinMarketCap, one of the latest posts of today has been this one. This Satoshi Club posted, BTC faces a tug of war near 63,000 after recent long liquidations. Order book data reveals significant bids at 61,200 and 62,200 and 62,800, suggesting potential support zones. So, at the liquidation data chart, we see a massive movement on the support level. However, if we don't break support, we just like to retest resistance once more. As I always say, you can always make money inside support and resistance. You just need to know and combine when is the best time to enter. Okay, I'm personally bullish for it. We are one day away from the most important event in the crypto world. 1 day and 9 hours, and I'm looking forward to the BTC halving, guys. Fear and greedy index today is neutral, which gives me more bullish sentiment. Okay, Crypto posted Bitcoin halving is only 47 hours left. 9 hours ago, so we're literally closer right now. Everybody has a lot of histories. People, some people say one thing, some people say other thing that is going to drop, is going to go up. However, I'm staying close to my TA, and right now, on my personal opinion, it is a buying signal. Okay, if we go down, I will just get stopped and I will enter once more. But to the long term saying, I'm just going to keep buying crypto, because if you look into our current fiat system, what are we going to do with this? Absolutely nothing. Okay, so today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap is currently at 2.31 trillion, a 3.55% increase over the last day. So we saw, okay, a nice increase. At least we're not dropping. Okay, remember, we just saw the Hong Kong ETF for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's not much happening. So the movement is coming. We had the ETF in. We have the halving. We have two very strong reasons to pump. Like, I don't see any bearish sentiment. You know, even knowing that I will always trade to accumulate more crypto. So if we're going down, I will just sell it. But I don't see anything, like, I don't see any reasons to sell. That's what I mean. So moving into Cointelegraph, have altcoins hit the bottom? That's a question. Bitcoin price bounces 5% from 59.7k low. Bitcoin might stay boring while altcoins recover after the halving, analysis claims, as crypto traders flip modestly optimistic. The BTC tapped 63 before the April 18 Wall Street Open. A modest BTC price strength boosted the mood of traders. This is the 1 hour chart sourced by TradingView. Analysis on BTC price lows might be tricking investor. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pool and TradingView show that BTC USD reaching 63,000.095 on Bitstamp is up 5.5% versus the prior day's low. At 59,700, this represented Bitcoin lowest level since early March. While various forecasts show the need to clear liquidity at 57,000 and even far lower going forward, some saw reason for mild optimism. Among them was a popular trader and analyst, Red Capital, who reiterated that BTC USD was in a reaccumulation round with the price behavior to match. One of the key things to note about Bitcoin reaccumulation range through this cycle is these downside wicks below the range lows tend to occur to treat the investors into a fake breakdown. Black circles before resuming into uptrend. He wrote alongside a chart on X. The chart itself showed a similar BTC price action at several points, beginning at the peak of 2022 bear market. Each time price produced a local low before making a significant enduring gains. So here we have the accurate data from Red Capital, and we can see that we just had a fake down once more. As I said, it is crucial to trade sometimes with these manipulations. The best and the most important thing is to wait. Don't be over trading. Just wait for the next opportunity. And we're not gonna drop. Come on, we literally left the bear market. That's not gonna happen. Eyeing on chain signals, fellow trader Jelly 3 similar conclusion, but war lay ahead. Bitcoin just tested the 3-day RSI 50 level and the 3-day 33 AMA at the same time. He told ex-followers referring to the relative straight index RSI and 33 period exponential moving average, the EMA, on a 3-day time frames, respectively. The last time this happened was at 38,000 earlier this year. Pretty sure the result will be similar higher prices. Okay, so it's sort of a double bottom as well. It's sort of a double bottom when it comes to the chart analysis. And here we have on the AMA side, which is likely to retest the EMA. The EMA is very, very accurate. That is a source by Jelly. Altcoins battle brutal downtrend. Continuing, Michael Van de Pope, founder and CEO of trading firm MNT Trading, predicted that sideways BTC price moves will continue even after the upcoming halving. Related to Bitcoin dominance hits 3 years high. So if you're interested, just go and read it. Altcoins bought the brunt of the latest crypto market correction and could now have seen the worst of the shakeout. The period of boredom for Bitcoin, which is eager to consolidate here, he explained. Overall, I'm expecting this won't change for the coming months, but I think we're at the altcoin bottom. Here is the data chart, shows the Michael Van de Pope. So he thinks we are at the altcoin bottom market. Okay, Van de Pope gave the areas around 62k and 45k as potential target in the event of a deeper correction. The total altcoin market cap stood at 256.7 billion at the same time of the rating, up nearly 70% from 2-month lows seen on April 13, but is still struggling to break a strong downtrend. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involve risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. I also agree. So it might be an interesting time to start looking into altcoins once more, guys. We all know they move really, really crazy. So if you like to see things like that, you should definitely join the Telegram group or Voice of Crypto and visit the website, because crypto is such a crazy word and I love it and it moves really, really crazy. So don't forget to join and be on top of everything that is happening. Okay, moving back to CoinMarketCap, let me check my screen with you. Back to CoinMarketCap, today's gainers and losers. Okay, we see Inch. The current price is at 28.58, is up 13.60% on the past 24 hours. On the second place, Immutable, IMX, not familiar with it, but it might be an interesting one to be looking at. Currently trading at 2.01, has been up 10.45% on the past 24 hours. We have Gala trading at 4 cents, and I think Gala is an interesting one on a holding side. Not trading Gala at the moment, but I'm holding a couple of tokens. Nothing crazy, but I just think that there is a nice project behind, and it's up 9.44%. Dog with a heart, it is back, and this one here It is the crazy one. Currently at 2.57 for a meme coin. It's a long journey, right? So it's up 9.34% on the past 24 hours. And the protocol currently trading at 5.81 is up 9.31% on the past 24 hours and more. But it's nice to see dog with a hat leading once more. I mean, I'm not talking on a holding side really, but to trade, it is a very, very nice meme coin. And we have Ape. Ape seems to be awakening. Let's see what it's going to do. I personally expected more for ApeCoin. Okay, such a strong NFT community behind. I would like to see Ape performing better because I think, however, the projects, the NFTs, what they do is actually interesting. So it's up 7.67%. And we might see Ape at $10 at this bull run. I'm not sure, but we might see. Okay. Remember, we have 12 months at least of upside in crypto. Mina, I mentioned that the Mina was in a nice buying zone. So if you got that trade on the previous lives, you probably made some nice profits already. It's up 6.64%. Nothing crazy, but I remember that was down like 20%. So you can make that 20% profit back. Okay, that's why it's very important to hit the subscribe button at this channel if you want to know everything about crypto. Uniswap currently trading at 7.23. I would like to see Uniswap at least at $10 for the next coming days and months. Currently it's gone up 6.12%. W token, I remember one person on the comment section mentioning about this token, and it's up 6.11%. It was down like somewhere around 30 to 40%. So if you bought that according to our previous talks, you probably made some nice profits already. Vendor also, it's an interesting one. However, on the top losers today, we have Tier. Nothing crazy, okay? 3.16% down, currently at 9.98. We have Monero XMR currently trading at 116.76. So it's not bad actually for an altcoin. It's down 3.01%. Core, which was up 200%, okay? Remember, we want to be trading this volatility. That is actually where the money is. So currently trading at 2.09, down 2.41%. WorldCoin, I'm also very, very bullish about this project. Seems to be moving. It was down 20%, something like that. So if you did catch that, it is an interesting profit to follow with. Let's move over to crypto bubbles. Let's see how altcoin maxes are looking at the moment. Not the best look on a week. We see Mina here. Okay, still one of the top picks. Mina, Tau, Vane, Bonk. Bonk moves very, very strong. So if you are trading Bonk, be careful. Jog with a hand also. But if you manage to get this, like, if you can't hold when everything is down, you can't make profit. That's how crypto works, okay? Orgy, I think Orgy would be the best pick today. Whatever is 41%, even more down on the weekly, just go for it. But be strong and make sure to enter at the right place, okay? This is what you want to do. You want to buy the dip, you want to hold very, very strong and wait for it. That's all you do. That's all you do in altcoins. You just buy them and let them work for you. Okay. However, don't forget to join our Telegram group and visit Voice of Crypto website if you like to know everything about crypto and Web3. I hope you guys have an incredible day, and tomorrow is the most important day in the crypto world. I'll see you soon.